guys, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is sort of a different kind of review, and it would mainly talk about the female reproductive system. It's awkward. Hi guys! If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Alice. I make content on this channel, and if you guys are interested to see more of my videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be informed of new videos that your girl uploads. Okay? Let's begin! Totoo lang guys na awkward ako dito sa video na to kasi hindi ako ganun kabihasa talking about female reproductive health, like how to take care of your lady parts, kasi hindi naman ako expert doon. But the reason why I got this soap is for that purpose. At aminin na natin mga girls, may mga araw na hindi ka aya-aya or mas malakas ang amoy ng ating lady parts. Okay? I'm gonna be using the term lady parts a lot on this video, kaya wag po kayo ma-offend. It's just that hindi ko kayang sabihin yung totoong words sa harap ng camera. So, totoo lang, hindi ko kaya. So, the product that I will be reviewing today is the Fungi Antibacterial Soap. So, this soap is actually not just, you know, for genital odor or yung medyo may amoy na female parts or male parts. This can also be used for your foot odor, facial care, underarm odor. So, this soap actually has tea tree oil, kaya mas effective daw siya kasi it has antibacterial properties. Okay, sabi dito, Fungi Antibacterial Soap is a complete natural skincare soap that gently eliminates germ-causing body odor, pimples, and skin rashes. It also protects the skin without leaving it dry and rough, and it's also ideal for everyday feminine wash. Yun talaga yung selling factor sa akin. Isa siyang feminine wash, pero bar soap siya. So, ito yung itsura ng sabon. Actually, 30 days ko na itong ginamit, kaya medyo natunaw na siya. Ayan lang siya. Parang regular bar of soap lang siya. Yung amoy niya, parang amoy normal na bar soap. Alam mo yung mga safeguard. Hindi naman siya ganun kabango. Hindi siya amoy tea tree oil ng sobra-sobra. Tapos, kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano siya gamitin for like, alam mo yung specific uses, like yung foot odor, yung body odor, yung genital odor. Sabi dito, for areas with pimples, underarm, and foot odor, leave soap to dry for 3 to 5 minutes for better results. Then you can use this daily. Okay, so what do I think about this soap? So, ito lang, 30 days ko na siyang nagagamit at so far, so good. Alam mo yun, wala akong reklamo sa sa genital odor. Kasi may mga araw talaga na hindi naman siya mabaho ha, hindi naman siya malansa. It's just that there's a certain pungent smell talaga sa babae, lalo na pag nagdi-discharge. Okay, sa mga lalaki dyan, masanay na kayo dahil babae po kami. Kailangan po nating pag-aralan ito. It's very normal for girls to have discharge. Tapos ako may mga araw talaga na hindi siya ganun. Alam mo yung parang, kasi pag ang discharge ng babae, amoy isda, you have to be, parang concerned ka na dapat. Pero yung sa akin naman, very musky yung amoy. Na parang, why is this coming out of me? Ganun na lang ako. So ako, trinay ko yung sabon for 30 days, doing the same instructions as mentioned. 3 to 5 minutes talaga siyang nakababad doon. And I also tried using it on my underarm, pero wala naman po akong amoy sa kilikila, so wala naman po akong nakitang resulta. Okay, so yun nga, ginamit ko siya as instructed, and what did I experience? Ano yung pakiramdam? Actually, when you leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, medyo nakaka-awkward. Kasi you have to sit in the bathroom with your legs like this. Kasi talaga kailangan naka-open siya. Pag close mo, oh my God, ang hapde! So, to lang, mahapdi siya. Hindi ko kaya. Kaya kailangan naka-open legs ka or either naka-squat ka, girl. Sa laki ng pata ko, hindi ko kaya mag-squat. Alam mo yung nakaupo ako sa trono for like 3 to 5 minutes. May tightening sensation siya. Kahit ako na awkward, yung tightening sensation niya, hindi ako yung sanay Pero siguro, the longer I used it, mas nasanay naman ako na I let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and then I wash it off. May tightening sensation siya. Okay, when you leave it to dry for 3 to 5 minutes, like you let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, parang gumaganon siya yung balat ko where it has been applied. Tapos na nakaka-awkward pa doon, pag hinugasan mo na siya, parang mahapde. I even went to a doctor to have it checked na may sugat ba? Is there like a laceration, an opening? Well, besides from the main openings, okay? So, my doctor said wala naman lacerations, wala namang sugat. So, within the 30 days, I've used the product. What do I think about it? Actually, yun lang, yung process lang talaga yung hassle. Pero, for the past 30 days that I've been using the soap, it's actually really effective. Alam mo yun? Hindi naman na-eliminate totally yung odor. It more of neutralize the odor of my genitals. Medyo, yun nga lang talaga, yung medyo may ganong factor siya. Tapos, napansin ko, medyo hindi na ganun kadalas yung discharge ko. Tsaka parang nag-iba yung pH level ng genitals ko. So, I really have to use a separate feminine wash just to maintain the pH level of my genitals. Is it a bad thing? I don't think so. Kasi I've had it checked with the doctor. Sabi ko, feeling ko masyadong dry yung area. Is it normal? Sabi niya, it's okay. It's normal. You don't have to worry. Maybe because the product is getting used to or my lady part is getting used to the product. So, yun nga, gumagamit na lang ako ng separate feminine wash para lang mabalance out yung pH level ng genitals ko. This product is about 48 pesos. Mga nasa 50 pesos range. Hindi siya lalagpas ng 50 pesos. So, it's really cheap. So, what do I think of the product? I actually think it's really great. Alam mo yun, ito yung isa sa mga product na it's too good to be true. Alam mo yun? Parang, does it work? Does it not work? It works actually. Doon sa kiniklaim niya na maging feminine wash siya or maging parang mas effective use to wash your lady parts, it's really effective. So, if you are wondering if this also works as a pimple solution, I don't know. I haven't tried it on my face yet. So, have you tried this soap as well? Let me know in the comment section. And also, would you be willing to try this as a feminine wash and as a facial soap? Leave your comments on the comment section. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and also follow me on my social networking accounts, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Bye!